Welding the Omnia panel, a demonstration of a clean, fast and strong method of connection. Omnia sells and hires the welding tools needed for the welding process. The box set consists of the welding extruder, small tools, a manual and an information sheet with the basic welding information. The small tools consist of a side cutter to cut the welding rod, Allen keys for replacing and cleaning the nozzle and the spare nozzle. Optional nozzles for various weld shapes are available. To switch the welder on, plug in the mains plug. The extrusion temperature is set to 240 degrees and will heat up automatically. Set the hot air and switch on the fan. The first part of the preparation consists of cutting to size. Health and safety precautions are straightforward. To protect yourselves from fibrous cutting dust, please use gloves, goggles and a lab coat or similar. Ear defenders should be used when exposure to high sound levels occurs. Measure and mark cutting position. The plunge saw is mounted on a guide rail for straight and clean cuts. A dust extraction unit is connected to remove as much cutting dust as possible. A slot will be routed with a normal router along two guide rails. The router depth is approximately 3 mm. By removing the skin on one side, the skin on the other side of the panel can function as a living hinge. For a 90-degree band, slot width is the length of a quarter circle arc with a radius equal to the thickness of the panel, 39 mm for a 25 mm thick panel. The panel is clamped in position for welding. Before welding can take place, the surfaces need to be cleaned thoroughly. The welding rod is fed into the extruder. Activate the extruder to clean the nozzle and cool down polypropylene. Preheat the nozzle surface by running the extruder on the wooden surface for a while. A heated nozzle gives a smoother weld surface. Reheat the panel surface at the start of the weld line to ensure a good fusion. Start up the extruder and weld at a continuous speed. The weld takes 5 to 10 minutes to cool down. The material changes from transparent to opaque gradually when it cools down. When the part has cooled down, it is finished and can be released. To switch off the extruder, turn the air temperature dial down to 0. After a few minutes, the air is cold enough to switch the fan off. Then the main power can be switched off.